architects aren't artists. They aren't artists. They're because they're technical. We are technical. We have to be technical. We're not artists. And I'm like, what? Ma'am, no, that hurt. You hurt my feelings. And that's like, because um yeah, I chose this profession because I have other choices before, but then I chose this because it was the closest to my heart, even though I really don't. It's not really my first choice. So it's. I thought it's on the it's close to the arts, although it has numbers, of course. But they said it has small maths, but they lied. There's a lot of maths in it. But yeah, that's quite my one of my weakness before. It's numbers. So she was like, "We're not artists. We're not artists. We're not creatives. We're technicians." So I'm like, it took me a lot of weeks to get over that. It's like, what did I choose a wrong profession here? Because it was really devastating when I heard that, because art has been my lifeline ever since. It's like it made me survive a lot of things, a lot of my dark times, before college. So um eh, hearing somebody tell me that I'm going to be stuck in a 5 year degree